Today, I'm excited to announce the launch of our $15 million Places of Compassion campaign. Hi, my name's Dave Cook. I'm the president and CEO with Hosparus Health and Care Guide Partners. We are on the cusp of a new campaign, a campaign around places of compassion. And this is so important for where we sit right now. Over 45 years ago, volunteers came together and they challenged us to do something different because our community needed something different. And I think we're there again at a place where there are new opportunities and new changes. And so this Places of Compassion campaign really takes that next step. And it calls us to really say we need help because we can deliver the care, but to build these facilities and to be able to support the community in the way that they deserve, we just need to take that next step, but we can't do it alone. We need your help to do that. And I think with that support, we can take and deliver on this vision and our mission to the community in a way that we really need to, that supports the challenges that we see today.
My name is Tawanda Owsley, Senior Vice President, Chief Development and Marketing Officer for Hosparus Health. This campaign is a $15 million campaign that we are embarking on to raise money for 3 facilities. To date, we've raised nearly $5 million to support those projects. Today, I'm going to talk about those projects and how you can support them. In March, we were thrilled to open up our William B. and Janet B. Schmidt PACE Center in Elizabethtown.
1, 2, 3, cut!
At our PACE Center, it serves as a hub of care for our 55 and older population, where they will be able to receive on-site clinic care, rehabilitation services, a hot meal, occupational and physical therapy, as well as other social services. Our PACE Center is over 18,000 square feet. Our Care Guide Partners PACE Center is an $11 million investment to our community. We have a fundraising goal of $3 million. There's still opportunities and ways for you to support those efforts.
Oh, I'm thrilled with the thought about how it can grow. As our community grows, this is going to be here in lockstep to be a supporting entity, for those needs. So, the nice thing about this, or the wonderful thing about this, is that it's going to support both the family and the individual participant. Overall feeling that I have that this building is going to serve a real dynamic purpose to our community. It's just, as I walk around, it's just, you just want to give a fist pump and say, yes, this is, couldn't have thought of anything better to have made a donation to.
Our next opportunity to support is our Heart Family Grief Counseling Center. This $4 million state-of-the-art facility allows us to continue to take care of our patients and families. The center's spacious 7,000 square foot design includes offices, gathering rooms, and specialized grief therapy services to support people of all ages.
When we read about the Grief Center, that you're going to actually design a facility that offered, all kinds of activities and group rooms and therapy activities, and it's going to be surrounded by green space where you can walk and meditate. I really think it's transformational because you can do so much more than just a group room. And the fact that all ages are invited, and that also I think what's probably not known in the community is that you don't have to be a hospice patient, that you can come. If you're experiencing loss, we invite you to come, and it's in a good location. So I just think there's all kinds of reasons why there's going to be strong support.
I was Bob's primary caregiver, and at the time we talked about some issues that I felt were important to bring up with him. And Lynn was able to do so in such a way that it really allowed for both of us to have a really good, heartfelt conversation. It started with a nurse coming to our home And she and Bob immediately connected with each other. We truly regarded her as a part of our family. And then we were introduced to social workers. We were introduced to grief counseling services. We were introduced to a chaplain. We were introduced to a doctor. All of these people came to our home and provided services. Every single one of the people from Hosparus Health that came across Bob's path, he immediately connected with. He immediately felt that they had his best interests at heart. Thankful doesn't even begin to express my gratitude, my love for their program. The services they provide, the compassion, the interest in each family's situation that they're going through is just immeasurable.
Our new center will allow us to continue to serve those grieving the loss of a loved one, as well as those in the community that may need our support. The last and final project that we are thrilled to bring to our community is our inpatient care center. For many years, our inpatient care has been housed at Norton Healthcare in our downtown Louisville area. This year, we are excited to announce plans for a standalone inpatient care unit. This center will be adjacent to our grief counseling center on our Ephraim McDowell property.
The inpatient care center provides a place at a patient's end of life when their level of care exceeds what can be provided in the home setting. We do that right now in a very compassionate manner on our current inpatient center downtown. We truly think that this new inpatient care center will meet the needs of our patients and families much better. It's going to have 21 nice, spacious rooms. They're going to have windows that look out into the wooded area. It's also going to have meditation rooms, rooms for children to play, family rooms, a kitchen, but it's going to not look like a hospital room. But in addition to that, we will have additional services that we can provide those families that unfortunately we can't provide at our current center. We've always done compassionate care, but can we also provide facilities that reflect that compassionate care? Truly, everyone in our community, regardless of their walk in life, their financial status, can take advantage of Hosparus services, whether it be palliative care, whether it be hospice care, or in the case of Elizabethtown, the PACE Center. To provide extraordinary services and facilities, they needed the support of the communities in which they were located. We appreciate every single gift, whether it's $1, whether it's $5, whether it's $10, and we acknowledge every one of those gifts because we do truly appreciate each and every one of them. Every gift matters. So we hope people will understand the magnitude of service and difference that they provide in people's life. And it's truly life-altering for the families.
Throughout our 45 years, philanthropy has made a difference in the work that we do here at Hosparus Health. Your gifts have impacted and guided us as we move forward to make new change in our community. We hope that you will stay with us and continue to support us as we raise the critical dollars to support our Places of Compassion campaign.